Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will be talking about this. It's a portable charger for EV cars and it's from the company EvDance. I think it's called EvDance at least. That's what it says. It's a portable charger, and what's different between this charger and most other portable chargers, this one you can stick into your wall socket and just charge through your wall socket and charge your electric vehicles. You can charge it anywhere where there is electricity. The difference between this one and the one I got with my car, because I got the similar one with my car, is that I can adjust the charging current on this one. So I can adjust it between 16 amps and 6 amp, and later in the video I'm going to tell you why this is crucial for me and the problem I got in last summer when I couldn't do this. By the way, usually I do these reviews in my garage or outside, but it's pouring down outside and my garage is a bit of a mess. I'm trying to clean it up, but at the same time I'm trying to build a gym, and at the same time I'm doing 50 other things, so it's just chaotic out there. So welcome to my house. We can begin with unpacking this, and then I'm going to tell you about specifications, and at the end I'm going to tell you how I messed up an entire day for around 100 people when I didn't have this one. It would have been really great for me to have this one, but I didn't, so okay, let's unpack it. Alright, to begin with, the box is straightforward, some information, maximum 16 amps, so on, so forth. Nothing special. Inside we have this nifty little bag, and inside the bag it's our charger. It's got a nice screen that I'll show you later, and European socket, and this is a Type 2 charger, and that's it. Real straightforward. Nothing much to say about this, so let's plug this in and see what it can do. And as soon as this is connected, you can see that the display lights up. It's a really nice display, and right now you can see that the working temperature is 29 degrees. At first I thought this was the surrounding temperature, but it's definitely not 29 degrees inside, and it's always rising up to around 40, so I think that's some internal temperature. Then you can see that right now it's working at 16 amps. It's 0 charging time. It's charging at, well, no kilowatts, and it's been charging at no kilowatts, and everything is 0 except for the voltage that is 239 volts. So to change something now, all you have to do is long press, and just a short press, and you will be changing between how many amps you want to charge with. Let's say that I want to charge with 6, or let's say 10 amps. Then you just leave it there and it's set. So let's go outside in the rain and connect this to my car and see what's gonna happen. Alright, quick information from a person wearing a shirt. If this charger is not compatible, if it doesn't work with your car, then you can find a bunch of different chargers at the EvDance webpage. So they have chargers for Tesla and different outputs, inputs, UK, US. Well, go check it out. EvDance. Now back to the other guy, the boring guy. Bye bye. You might not see this raining, but it actually is raining. And did you know that in some movies they add white coloring to the rain just because you're going to see it on screen, otherwise it's invisible. So I'm going to connect this. I'm using an extension cable, and that's just fine because I'm only charging at 10 amps. And as you can see, the settings are still just fine. It's still 10 amps. The core temperature is a bit lower, but it's steadily rising now when I connected it. And now we're going to connect this to the car and see what's going to happen. Alright, so I moved the charger so it's a little bit better out of the rain. You can see it's been charging for 2 minutes and 50 seconds at 10 amps. And In that time it charged 0.1 kilowatts and it's charging at 2.33 kilowatts. I'm gonna unplug this and we're gonna see what happens if I lower it to charge at, let's say, 6 amps. Before you change the settings, you always need to unplug it from your car and then just hold for a couple of seconds. And we're changing it. Oh, never mind. Let's change it to 16 amps. See what's gonna happen. Plugged it into my car, and as you can see, the light turns green. I'm gonna see if my phone survived this. It's not waterproof at all. It's so wet. And it's up to 16 amps, and it's charging at 3.63 kilowatts. So it seems to be working just fine. Alright, so we've seen what it can do. Let's unplug this and head inside because I'm getting wet and I'm getting cold. This is one of the strangest reviews I ever done because it's so easy to use. Usually I have to do a lot of testing. It takes a long time to test the battery capacity and so on of a battery. But this just plug and play. It's one button. That's all you have to do. Long press to enter settings and then short press to change the settings and then you're done. So I really like this product, even though it's a really short review. Some things I have to tell you is, I'm gonna tell you, it's IP classification. It's IP66, which means that it can be out in the rain. There's no problem at all. And as you can see, it works. It's waterproof. I don't think you should submerge it into water for a longer time, but if you're charging your EV underwater, then you have a bigger problem than the charger not being waterproof. That's basically it. No, it's not it. I have to tell you the story when I ruined the day for like 150 people at a camping site. Okay, I'm a cheap bastard. Well, I'm not, but this time I was out with my adventure trailer and my electric vehicle, and we were running low on electricity in our car, so we had like I don't remember, we couldn't go quite far and there wasn't any fast charger around, and we arrived at a camping spot and we paid for electricity, but it was only I think it was 6 or 10 amps you can use. And I had not one of these, I had the one that came with the car, and it's rated for 16 amps and you can't do anything about it really. You can change the settings in the car, but I didn't know that at the time. So as a cheap bastard, I just plugged it in. And what happened? Well, basically the power ran out at the entire campsite. So there were caravans and RVs and there were a bunch of people there and everyone lost power because of me. So I did the right thing. I went up to the people in charge and said, this is my fault. Actually I didn't. Again, I was an asshole. I just unplugged it and hoped that no one would notice. And it wasn't a whole day. The power out was maybe 30 minutes. But still, this would have come really in handy. All right, so what is my conclusion about this product? For me, I found this really useful, and I don't really understand why most car manufacturers don't include this. As I told you, last summer I ruined a day for a couple of hundred people at a camping spot. So this will be the go-to thing to have in my car this summer. I will use it frequently when I'm out and about and I can't find charging spots in the middle of nowhere in Sweden. So I really recommend it. It works really well. It's really simple to use, it's straightforward, you can't really fail, and it comes with this nifty bag, so it's really easy to store in your car. Yeah, I think it's a really good product, and it's not that expensive either. It's below 200 euros or $200, and as the dollar keeps dropping, it's getting cheaper and cheaper, unless you're paying tariffs, of course. Well, anyhow, I can really recommend this product. I think I have a discount code down in the description. Go check it out. Can't really remember how much it's for, but it's that much. Perfect. I hope you have a really nice day and keep going strong. Bye.